How to install outdoor light on brick wall. Outdoor lighting can be a great way to add beauty and security to your home. Summary: installing an outdoor light on a brick wall involves careful planning, selecting the right light fixture, and using the proper tools and techniques to ensure a secure and long-lasting installation. Why install outdoor light on brick wall? Additionally, installing outdoor light on a brick wall can help improve your home's security by deterring potential burglars. Why is it tricky to install outdoor light on a brick wall? Brick walls are not the easiest surface to work with when installing anything. Step 1. Choose a location for the fixture. When choosing a location for your outdoor light fixture, keep in mind that it will need to be near an outlet. Step 2. Nail an electrical box. This will provide a safe and secure place for your light fixture to be attached. Step 3. Position a surface mount electrical box optional. Use a drill to make a hole in the brick wall that is the same size as the electrical box. Step 4. Position the lamp. Reattach the cover once the light is in place and screw it in tight. Step 5. Drill a hole into the brick. Use a power drill with a masonry bit to drill. Have you ever installed outdoor light on a